No, not yet. You do close. Two close.
Ali Koros.
I'm Amelia.
I'm Marissa.
And we're here with Crystal Palace Scout Group. It's been really fun because it's great to meet all the Gunjur Scouts.
Yeah, and before that we were like doing like races and like tying knots.
In the sedan trash.
Hey, bro. This one's tight.
We won
Yeah, we
against
won.
the boys.
Yeah, scale power.
Knees together.
Knees together.
Arms up.
Arms up.
In, out, shake it all.
You know.
See me come, then my drum.
Play is wrong, it's a long If you happy and you know, knock your head.
Eagerly watching King Gangu. King Gangu.
You are on the rockers land. Your soldiers race in the wrestling days. You are on the rockers land. Everybody say we are on the rockers. Era boom, a chicky raka, chicky boom.
I'm Saxon. It's the second night of the campfire and we're building sedan chairs and singing songs around the fire. My best bit was when we were all dancing around the fire. It was just really fun and enjoyable. Everyone was just having a really good time.
Left leg, right leg, right leg, left leg. Have you ever seen a baby go to tea? We bring this campfire to a close.
Some to say goodbye, for us to say bye-bye. Why we are waiting, please remember us.